Spaghetti al pomodoro. 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 It's such a simple dish and yet so delicious when made in the right way. A nice, creamy, velvety texture spaghetti al pomodoro. I could eat it now. I mean, I can literally craving for a proper spaghetti al pomodoro dish any time of the day. In any situation, even walking in the street. So I would say, let's go back home and make spaghetti al pomodoro. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to push on the bell button to get notification for any new recipes.
Let's grab all the ingredients: olive oil, tomato sauce, a clove of garlic, spaghetti and some fresh basil. Bring to a boil a pot full of water. Meanwhile, in a pan, pour some extra virgin olive oil, crush the garlic, peel it and place it into the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the tomato sauce. Of course, you must be generous. Stir and let it simmer. This is one of the simple secrets to get a creamy and thicker sauce. Time to salt our water. When the water is boiling again, it's time for pasta. I chose a nice durum wheat artisanal spaghetti. Quantity for 2 servings. Stir gently the spaghetti at the very beginning and let them cook. Of course, follow the instruction on the package, but don't forget to taste your pasta a couple of minutes before the end to avoid to overcook it. Meanwhile, your tomato sauce is simmering. Add 2 leaves of fresh basil. Stir and let it simmer for another couple of minutes. Then turn off the heat. Save a cup of cooking water. You might need it. Taste again your pasta and when it's almost al dente, drain it and transfer it in the saucepan. Turn on again the heat and combine the pasta into the sauce. If, for whatever reason, your sauce results a little bit dry, then you can use the saved cooking water to make it again creamier. You can remove the garlic or leave it. In Italy, it's quite common to use garlic just to give flavor, instead of chopping it finely and leave the whole garlic inside the dish. Okay, our pasta and sauce are really nicely combined. Time to serve! Fresh basil on the top, and of course complete with some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. In that case, thumb up, and see you next week with a new Italian dish. Buon appetito!